Hi guys, I'm back with another part of Learn Adobe Premiere Pro. This time around, we are going to be looking into timeline, the function of razor tool, ripple delete, and the clear functions. Okay, so let's get started. First and foremost, we are going to drag a video file into our project. Okay, so we are going to drag this video file, and we are also going to drag a separate audio file, as today we will be working with multiple audio files. Okay, so to start editing, first, we will drag this video file into the sequence. So as you can see, this is the sequence. We are going to select our video file and then we are going to drag this video file over into the sequence like this way. Okay, so now the sequence has been created. So you can actually see that the video already has an audio baked into it. Okay, so there are actually some options over here as well. So you can actually do solo track, you can actually do voiceover, and you can actually mute this audio if you would like to. Okay, so now we are going to drag the audio file as well, the other audio file. Okay, so this is the other audio file. We're going to drag it right beneath that audio file. And so what I like to do is I would like to right click and I would like to unlink this audio file. So that will make all the three streams different and separate from each other. So you can see the audio file, the video file, the audio file, and then there is my voiceover audio file as well. Also, now you can easily drag both the audio streams to anywhere you want. What I like to do is switch their places. So now we are actually going to click on audio from here. We can actually adjust the audio levels of each of the audio files. No matter how many audio files you have, you can adjust the levels of all your audio files from here. Okay, so you can see this is audio 1, that's audio 2, that's video 1, and you can also see them audio 1 and audio 2 right up there. So now I would like to reduce the volume of audio 2 and to keep the level of audio 1 at normal as well. Okay, so now as you can see, I've reduced the volume of audio 2. What's up guys, I'm back with another part of Hollow Knight. So now you can actually adjust the audio levels of your video in real time to see what fits better. We're going to continue. So yeah, we're going to go back to this. So now this feels good, but you might have noticed that at the beginning of the video you were not able to hear my voice because I don't start talking from the start of my video. Okay, so as you can see, there is this very long line of me not talking at all. Hi, what's up? So as you can see, uh, till then I didn't actually say anything. So what if I want to edit this part out? You can use something called the razor tool. Okay, also if you want to use the shortcut C to enable the razor tool. Okay, so we are going to cut right here. Also always remember to go back to the selector tool. You can also use the shortcut V for that as well. Now you can see this audio part and that audio part are separate. So now we can easily delete the first audio part. So there are two functions to delete the audio files. You can use the clear or ripple delete. Using the clear will simply delete the audio clip, but then you will have to drag the other audio file back to the start. Let's undo and see what ripple delete can do. By using this command, you can easily delete the first audio file, and then the command will automatically drag the audio file behind it to its place. Okay, so we're just going to use this ripple delete function now. Yeah, just by clicking on it you can actually see that now they have that first part is completely deleted and this part has taken its place. Okay, all right guys, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.